Hi, beautiful people. I'm Blinky. I help women like you rise above the chaos. Like many of you, I help people become the best version of themselves, even when life feels so messy.
You are supposed to say women like me. Why aren't you following the script, please?
Thanks very much. My goal is to make healthy living possible, practical, and empowering, one step at a time.
So if you are tired of just surviving and you are ready to bloom, go ahead and join the family by clicking the subscribe button.
To be sincere, Henda, you are good. You are really good. Seriously, I never really expected this from you.
You underestimated me, right?
Yes, I think I should be bringing you often to this platform. I mean, you've proved your word. You've literally proved your word. You are amazing.
Sure, that will be awesome. Hope your subscribers will be wowed by me. Family, please go ahead and subscribe, because this lady is definitely trying and putting all she got on this channel. Give her support.
You are amazing. So welcome back, my bloomers, in the space where we keep it real, relatable, and ridiculously effective. So if you're the type who wants to live healthy, but you want to still nap in between, then you're at the right place. So in today's video, I'll be giving you my lazy girl guide to healthy living. But wait, this isn't your regular go eat salad and jog nonsense. I'll be sharing with you a strange but very powerful and effective trick that works even when you have zero motivation, even when you have a love affair with your couch. So if you want to glow up without burning out, then let's go all in. And in the end, I'll be sharing you a simple trick I do to keep it all together. The first thing I do is that whenever I want to eat anything, I make it look pretty. Not because I want to impress anyone, but because the brain eats with the eyes first. Science says when food looks beautiful, your brain immediately emits dopamine, which means you feel more satisfied to eat slower. Even if it's just a basic boiled egg and avocado, you eat less, feel full more, and even enjoy your meal with zero extra effort. Second trick or movement hack I will give you today is do everything on your toes. I mean, washing dishes, stand on your toes, brushing your teeth, calf raises. Even on your phone, squat it out. This weird movement routine burns calories, tones muscles, and builds endurance without you ever scheduling for a workout. What this does is, it tricks your body into a daily workout without you ever going to the gym. The next hack I'll be sharing with you today is no water detox hack. We commonly hear everyone telling you, drink more water, drink more water. But what if I tell you that some of us are overhydrated but under cleanse? So here is the twist. Add bitter things into your morning routine, like warm lemon water, bitter lemon tea, and even soaked fenugreek seed. What this does is, it activates your liver, it reduces bloating, and it helps balances your hormones more than any gallons of plain water will ever do. 1 cup of bitter tea in the morning will become much more effective than 2 liters of water plus tummy blood cries. The next trick and hack I'll be sharing with you is eat boring food repeatedly. This sounds insane, right? Yes, I know it sounds insane, but look at it this way. If you eat same healthy food 2 to 3 times a week, what this does to your body is it regulates hormones, it eases digestion and hunger cues. Why does this work? Less decision fatigue, no cravings from overexposure to hyper-palatable foods. Fast meal prep. All you have to do is meal prep once, eat 2 to 3 times a week, relax and enjoy. Next trick and hack I'll be sharing with you today is energy before exercise. If you really want to work out but you feel tired, don't wait for energy, create it. One thing I do is, I blast to music, I jump around for 60 seconds, then I go ahead, I drink some lemon water plus sea salt. Then I give myself 5 minutes, but if I still feel tired after doing all this, I stop. But 90% of the times, I don't. Weird but true, movement creates energy and energy creates motivation, not the other way around. Hey Henda, we said we were going to move our body.
Look, I moved from the bed to the fridge. That counts as cardio in my world.
But come on, Henda, let's just do music and some matching in place. I mean, yeah, you can even hold your snack while doing so. Don't you think it's brilliant?
Stretch? Girl, please. I reached for the remote twice. That's 2 full reps. You over here talking a 10-minute workout. I'm just trying to survive till lunchtime. Let's compromise. I'll dance for 3 minutes while chewing snacks.
Lazy but creative. No, but we haven't moved in 3 days. 3 whole days.
That's balance, baby. Call me lazy, but this glow up is slow cooked, okay?
Yes, as long as we are moving, Queen, let's bloom. We are here to bloom.
Okay, and we still bloomin'.
So why don't we teach our subscribers how to bloom with some music? What do you think? Do you want to bloom with some music? Yes, let's bloom with some music. Okay guys, let me show you some of the moves you can do as a lazy girl trying to live a healthy life or trying to keep fit. Let's go.
I woke up in the shadow of doubt, but the sun's still rising somehow. Every scar a lesson I earned, every fall a fire that burned. I'm not broken, just becoming whole. Piece by piece I'm taking control. This heart's been through storms and rain, but now I bloom through the pain. Come bloom with me, let your spirit rise. We'll heal the hurt, we'll dry the cries.
There you have it, my lazy girl guide to living healthy and a free downloadable guide in my description box. So go ahead in my description box, click the guide, download it and start living healthy today. No pressure, no punishment, no perfection, just tiny strange habits that add up to powerful results. And always remember, consistency is key. So next time, whenever you feel lazy, ask yourself, what is that one little tiny strange thing I can do today that can help me push me forward? So if this video made you feel seen, heard, or slightly called out, go ahead and drop a lazy blooming in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more glow up guides for women who do the most with the least. And I'm Blinky. I'll see you in the next one. See you.